Hello, welcome to my channel. I'm Lucy and I'm a crochet pattern designer and a crochet teacher. On this channel I love to teach skills and show you how to do things, but lately I have not made any videos because I've been focusing full force on my crochet designs and my newfound skills of mosaic crochet. Let me show you a few of the designs I have created and you'll see why I've been a bit preoccupied. So the first pattern I created is this one. This is my Hazel boho bucket bag. I absolutely love it. This is the first one I ever made. I've used it a lot, so it's already a bit floppy and bobbly because it's had a lot of use, but I've made it again in a different colour to demonstrate for the pattern. And this has been really popular. It sold really well and I had so many compliments on TikTok from it that I thought maybe this mosaic crochet thing is something I'm quite good at. So I had another design in my mind, so I gave that a go. Let me show you my second design. So for the second design I went for a Christmas stocking. I've made it twice. This one is with double knit yarn and this one is with Aran yarn, which has a tweedy effect, and this is the one I've used for the final pattern. I think the thicker yarn works better. So that was my second pattern. Again, sold really well. I'm super proud of it and I really am starting to think that maybe this is something that I'm quite good at. So I went for my third design, which is another bag, and let me show you the ones I have made. So this is my third design. It's the Toadstool tote. So again, another bag. I am loving this style of bag. I will be designing a few more of these. I have some ideas. I've done it in a larger size with a thicker yarn and a bigger hook. Again, that lovely tweedy Aran yarn, and I made it one more time to help me write the pattern in this different green colour. So these are all available for sale. I did have a shop linked below, but something went wrong and it's disappeared. I'm really sad about that because that shop was doing well and I don't know how to fix it. So if anyone knows how to fix it, please do get in touch with me. Yes, mosaic crochet is now my newest, biggest passion, and though I will teach crochet skills, expect to see a lot more mosaic crochet because I absolutely love it, and I will be doing videos that will help you make my patterns and just explaining more about mosaic crochet. I love it. It is easy, it is fun, and you get results like this from just 2 stitches. This is just a double crochet and a single crochet in US terms, and you can make so many beautiful things. The thing I love the most about it is watching the design develop as you start at the bottom and work your way up. You can see it's almost like printing. You're printing a picture as you go. I love it. And my designs are all worked in the round, so there is less ends to weave in as well, which is something that I know puts a lot of people off mosaic crochet. But if you are interested in learning mosaic crochet from me, or interested in my designing pattern journey, I'm going to be talking more about it. I'm not going to just do tutorials. I want to do more talking and more community with you guys. I also have an idea for doing my very first felted crochet project. So I think for that one I'm going to be using the leaf design. I've ordered some yarn and I'm going to have a go at making it massive so I can felt it. So I will film all of that process and do that for you guys, and I'm really hopeful that will work, because if it does, then that's another thing that I'll just be obsessed with, I'm sure. So that's where I'm at the moment. I'm sorry I haven't posted any tutorials lately, but I have been a busy bee. I will be back very soon with more tutorials and more chit chat. See you soon.